there, garden enthusiasts! Are you ready to transform your garden into a vibrant, blooming paradise all season long? If you're in Zone 3, I've got some fantastic perennial plants that will keep your garden looking stunning from spring to fall. Stick around because these beauties are low maintenance and perfect for our chilly climate. Imagine stepping into your garden and being greeted by waves of color every single day. Sounds amazing, right? Well, let's dive right in and explore these fantastic perennials. 1. Blanket flower, Gaillardia. First up, we have the blanket flower, or Gaillardia. These cheerful blooms come in vibrant shades of red, orange, and yellow. They're like little bursts of sunshine, plus they bloom from early summer all the way to frost. And the best part? They're super easy to care for. Just plant them in a sunny spot and they'll do the rest. Blanket flowers thrive in well-drained soil and don't need much watering. They're also great for attracting butterflies, so you'll get an added bonus of fluttering visitors. 2. Siberian iris, Iris sibirica. Next, let's talk about the Siberian iris. These elegant flowers bring a touch of sophistication to any garden with their tall, slender stems and delicate petals. They bloom in late spring to early summer, and their foliage stays lush and green all season long, adding texture to your garden. Siberian irises prefer moist, well-drained soil and can tolerate partial shade. They're perfect for those tricky spots in your garden that don't get full sun all day. 3. Dahlias, Himmercalis. No, who doesn't love dahlias? These hardy perennials are a gardener's dream. They come in almost every color imaginable and bloom from early summer to fall. Each flower lasts just one day, but don't worry, new blooms keep appearing. Dahlias are incredibly resilient and can thrive in a variety of soil types. They also require very little care once established, making them perfect for busy gardeners. 4. Coneflower, Echinacea. Next on our list is the coneflower, Echinacea. These daisy-like flowers are not only beautiful, but also beneficial. They bloom from midsummer to fall and attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. Plus, they're known for their medicinal properties. Coneflowers prefer full sun and well-drained soil. They're drought-tolerant once established and can handle the colder temperatures of Zone 3 with ease. 5. Black-eyed Susan, Rudbeckia. Last but not least, we have the ever-popular Black-eyed Susan. These bright yellow flowers with their dark centers are sure to brighten up any garden. They bloom from midsummer to frost, providing continuous color. Black-eyed Susans thrive in full sun and well-drained soil. They're also resistant to deer and rabbits, making them a great choice if you have a lot of wildlife in your area. So there you have it, folks, 5 amazing perennials that will keep your garden blooming all season long in Zone 3. With these beauties, you'll enjoy a vibrant, colorful garden from spring to fall without a lot of fuss. Happy gardening, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more gardening tips.